Hello and welcome to the week that ends the semester for us. Boom, 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 boom. Hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Hope you did stuff and that's the thing, and yeah, that's it. So, by the way, this is Shaw University Online, English 111 Fall 2018. This is the last week for this class. If you peek ahead a little bit, note there is not a final exam for this class. All assignments must be submitted no later than November 30th by 11:55 p.m. I will not accept any work after that time. So this is it. This is the final week that we are doing stuff in this class. Since this is an English class, we are not required to have a final exam because we don't do exams, really. We do papers and we do projects. And so that's why we don't have a final exam for this class. Yes. So what we're doing instead is we are doing finishing the course portfolio, and then you have the post-test. So if you remember way back, beginning of the semester, we did a pre-test. And now we got to do a post-test and see what you learned. Bum, 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 bum. Okay. So for the course portfolio, again, all that's been done. We explained that a couple of weeks ago. So again, that was introduced. The course portfolio was introduced on November 12th. And then you have until November 30th to get it completed. To submit the course portfolio, you click here. And you'll even see there's the rubric of how you're going to get graded on the course portfolio. You hit Add Submission. And then again, you drag or drop or click here and hit Choose File. Again, submit it as a doc or a docx file. That's what we're doing for the course portfolio. It is worth 15% of your overall grade, so don't blow this off. It's a significant part of your grade, 15%. And both the course portfolio and the post-test are due by November 30th. That's very important, because again, after that date, this class is over. No work accepted after that case in time. So, some final thoughts before we go. Okay, so really I hope you've learned that by doing some research papers, you can kind of get a bigger view of the world and get a better understanding of some things that you thought you knew a lot about, but maybe didn't know so much. Maybe help understand other people's points of view a little bit better. Maybe stronger in your convictions and stuff like that. And then the final thing that I will add for this class is, I say this with every class, just be nice to other people. Seriously. I was asked once what my philosophy on life was. It's basically this, that most, if not all, of the world's social problems would just disappear if people cared more about others than they did themselves. It's selfishness which is causing any kind of tensions, any kind of social issues that we have in this world. If we honestly cared more about others than we do ourselves, and this is a Baptist university, so I can go ahead and say, this is not me. This is the idea of loving your neighbor. Seriously, think about it. I think tell me a time of a social issue that wouldn't be better if we cared more about others than we did ourselves. If everyone cared for other people, everyone's needs would be met, and then we just wouldn't have any issues. So please, 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 try to make the world a better place. And that's it for this class. I hope you've done well. Hope you've learned something. And I wish you all the best as you move forward with your lives. Okay, that's it. Bye.